Sure, here are some scrap wood shelf ideas for home decor. 1. Rustic floating shelves. Use reclaimed wood to create a rustic and unique floating shelf. These can be hung in the living room, bedroom, or even the kitchen. 2. Bookshelf ledges. Create a series of small ledges out of scrap wood and mount them on the wall to display your favorite books. This can also be a great solution for small spaces. 3. Hexagonal shelves. Cut scrap wood into hexagonal shapes and attach them together to create a fun and unique shelf. These can be painted or left natural for a more rustic look. 4. Corner shelves. Use scrap wood to create corner shelves that can be mounted in any room of the house. These are great for displaying photos or small decorative items. 5. Pallet shelves. Use old pallets to create shelves that can be used in any room of the house. These can be left natural or painted to match your decor. 6. Ladder shelves. Use scrap wood to create a ladder-style shelf that leans against the wall. This is a great solution for a small space where you need additional storage. 7. Reclaimed wood wall shelves. Use reclaimed wood to create wall shelves that add warmth and character to any room. These can be used to display photos, books, or other decorative items. 8. Live edge shelves. Use a slab of wood with the natural edge intact to create a unique and beautiful shelf. These can be used in any room of the house and add a touch of natural beauty. 9. Triangle shelves. Cut scrap wood into triangle shapes and attach them together to create a unique and modern shelf. These can be painted or left natural for a more rustic look. 10. Geometric shelves. Use scrap